At mabaho. You know that. Hi po ho, hello, ER Kabayan, PWD Vlog. Hello my friend, may anak po ba kayo? Yes, tatlo po yung aking anak. May anak po ako tatlo. Twinning bird, shout out, welcome to my live. ER Kabayan, meron na po kayong blue. Ayan, mag-connect po tayo. Go to channel po tayo at mag-iwan po tayo ng comment. Ayan, guys, hulaan nyo kung ilang taon na ako. Ayan, ilang taon na ako sa palagay nyo. And I have a 3 kids. Meron pa akong tatlo. Baka yung lizard. May anak ko baka lizard. Bakit lizard? Oh my God. Because people are saying that I heard that word before our company. One new guy coming after that saying this. Yeah. Salamat po, host. Welcome. Sorry po, mali. It's okay. ER Kabayan PWD Vlog, shout out and welcome po sa aking live. Ako po ay masaya na bumabati sa inyo at nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagdalaw sa aking live. Subalit, huwag po nating kakalimutan ito sa tuwing tayo ay pumapasok sa kahit kaninong live. Tayo po ay magagarito muna. Okay? New video upload me guys. Please watching me guys. Yes! Connect to each other. Ayan. Mag-iwan po tayo ng mga comments sa bawat isa. Para mabalikan ko din po kayo. Mag-iwan po kayo. Just leave comment to my latest upload. And after my live, and if I have time, I can check your comment and I can return it. I mean, meron po ba kayong alagang lizard? Wala po, no. Wala, Kuya Manny. Bakit, Kuya Manny? Bakit, Kuya Manny? Yun sa likod ko? Wow, meron. Gusto ko alagaan ahas. Tingnan mo ako ng kagandahan dyan. Yeah! I'm pretty. I'm pretty, friends. I'm pretty and I need love. You know that. Hoy, natutuwa ako dito sa ating bisita na si Friends. Dahil masyadong malalim ang kanyang mga Tagalog. Ayan, tungtuwa ako kay Friends, promise. Nakakatuwa yung Tagalog ni Friends. Guys, hulaan nyo how my years old, ha? Ilang taon na ako? Tama ba yung English ko? Thank you for the like, Mr. Master Chisik. Training bird, salamat. Ha, sobrang laki. Bata ka pa. Ano mo dito? No, I'm not bata. I am not, what is that? A younger, I am older. You know that? I'm not bata. Ngoyen vlog, shout out. Thank you so much and welcome to my live. Hi. Hello. And I need your this. I'm not bata, you see. I'm married, you know. So, and I have 3 kids, guys. Taong bahay lang. Ayan, magla-live. Thank you so much, Ngoyen Vlog, for coming and supporting Progressogen TV Live. Thank you so much. Okay. Please, friends, you leave comment. Are you done to leave comment to my latest upload? Bye, friends. Bye. Thank you so much for coming and supporting Progressogen TV. Thank you so much. Bye, friends. Bye. Thank you very much. Thank you. Kung ako'y mag-aasawa, ang pipiliin ko, anak ng bombero, bomba siya, bomba ako, bombahan kami, oink.